Hola and welcome back to Kim at Home. I just got back from the grocery store because I plan on having a little gathering. My cousins from Cleveland are coming to visit, so we are all going to get together, eat, and be merry. If you are new here, my name is Kim, K-Y-M, K-Y-M. I do videos pertaining to home life, so that's cooking, cleaning, DIYs, projects, repairs, a little bit of organizing, and along the way, I like to talk about self-care and mental health awareness. Before you leave out, please do not forget to hit that like button, as it does help my channel because I am a small YouTuber, and please subscribe. I always like to provide all kinds of tips and tricks so that you can keep your house clean throughout the week so you don't have to spend your entire weekend cleaning your home. You always need Ziploc bags, parchment paper. We have some forks. I can never find a white Scrub Daddy, so I have one right now, but it just needs replaced. Let me turn the light on so you can see. And I'm really weird about sponges anyway. I like to replace them as often as possible. This has probably, I don't even know how long this has been here, but anyway, I'm gonna replace it with the yellow one. Okay, back to the regularly scheduled program. We have some bowls and some plates and some napkins, tissues, because I'm always blowing my nose. This is for the party. This is not for the party, but for this, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna make. The pineapples go with it. I'm making a bean dip and a taco dip. So we got some Fiesta chips. I have some hummus, so we have some bread. If you know about this, you are a blessed individual and you're highly favored, okay? So bean dip. For the bean dip, this is the one bean dip that I have. And with the bean dip, we're gonna need some olives and some jalapenos. But I wanted to show you something because I just thought this lady was so cute. If you don't know, I identify as Mexican, okay? Which is why I always say hola. Do you want to know why? Because Mexican's my favorite cuisine. Ignore me. My mom always tells me I'm not Mexican, but I beg to differ. Anyway, we have some black beans. We have some great northern beans. I also have some garbanzo beans. And then I have been wanting to try these pickled okra. Here's the hummus. Here's some coffee. This goes with that bean dip. This goes with that bean dip, which is a cucumber. We have a bell pepper that is yellow, red onion, and then the huge green onion bulbs. That was kind of fast, but I have to put this stuff away and go pick up a table. So I have like 15 minutes, so I gotta go.
I got all that I need. No need to apologize. We won't waste any more time, yeah. I am all that I need. No need to apologize. I got all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time, yeah. I am all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time, yeah. Baby, yeah.
As I'm packing up this refrigerator, I'm thinking, woo, it is stuffed in here. We are freezer people. We are not refrigerator people. And then about an hour later, my husband walks by like, oh my gosh, the refrigerator is stuffed. When I tell you it was packed from head to toe, and here is the amount that I spent. All right, so we got the table, right, Bree?
Mm-hmm.
So I get the table home. My garage is a hot mess. I put the glass up there because I needed to go in the house to get this. And I hear a big crash. And one of the glasses broke. Just my luck. Just my luck. I'm gonna get this glass wrapped up into this bubble wrap, and then the garage is kind of giving me the heebie-jeebies just a little bit, so I'm just gonna straighten some things up just a little bit. It is a garage. It's supposed to be messy. It does not need to be organized. I'm very well aware of that. And let's be real, ain't nothing in my house organized. So I'm just gonna get this cleaned up a little bit. I don't know what kind of gloves these are, but they're like industrial heavy gloves. So I decided to put those on. I wanted to check the inside first because I do not like sticking my hands in things without looking to see what I'm sticking it into. But I needed to pick up the glass, and there was a lot of glass. I actually swept the floor like 3 times because I kept thinking to myself, this car of mine is not even that old to me. And your girl don't need no issues with her tires, okay? Because whoever decided to trade their car in, they bought brand new tires right before they traded it in. So I am thankful to have some nice tires on this car, and I did not want them getting messed up by glass. I always think of the scripture, if you're faithful over a few things, God will make you ruler over many. So I'm trying to be faithful over this car. If you've been here for a while, you know I had some serious car issues. I was driving in a death trap, literally, because I didn't want to break up with Nissan. Now Nissan and I broke up, and I got a Honda. And guess what? Honda and Nissan have merged. All of that drama from the breakup with Nissan, just for them to merge, where are they doing that at?
On my wave, just because it's fun, you wanna be in my space, too close to the sun, don't seem to care if it's safe, well that makes two of us. I'm so insane, and you like it. You got to learn to like me again and again, cause I will make you love.
You'll have to let me know below in the comments what interesting things you've been working on, what you've been reading or watching. I got this book for Mother's Day from my daughter, and it says, Mom, tell me your life story. That's the name of the book. So you fill all these things out about you. First of all, let's be real. It was hard for me to remember some things because if you've been here for a while, you know I had a mini TIA stroke and I forget things all the time. I mean, I know that you can tell in my voiceovers when I'll be like, I don't remember the word for that. It is what it is, you know, life, just move on with life, right? But I got really emotional filling the book out. I mean, I've kind of been emotional lately just because it's gray skies up in Ohio and it's rough, okay? Seasonal depression is real. So I'm learning that I need to give myself just as much grace as I give other people. And you'll have to let me know if you can relate to that. Do you have any kind of seasonal depression issues? Let me know below in the comments. Let me know what you're doing to combat that as well. I mean, not that this is your business or anything, but right now I don't have any kind of medication that I'm taking. I do use my SAD lamp. I should probably use it way more often than what I have been. And I'm going to make a goal right now to start that this week. If you don't know what a SAD lamp is, definitely Google it. It will bless you. It really does work. At the end of the day, there is absolutely no vitamin D outside when you walk out those doors. And vitamin D is essential for your mental health. During these times, my affirmations are stronger. My prayer life is stronger. My relationship with God is stronger because I know that I can be down a dark tunnel just like that. When I was down in a dark tunnel, I had two beautiful children who lifted me up on a daily basis and helped me out so much. You guys know who Nori is. If you've been here for a while, that is my great niece. And then little 𝐓𝐇𝐈𝐒. 𝐓𝐇𝐈𝐒 is now in Japan and I cannot wait to go visit her. But whatever it is that you're going through, wherever you are in life, just know that you are not alone. Talk therapy is healing for you. And you know what? It's okay. It's okay to not be okay.
The tears that keeps crippling. Now that you no one ever knows where we're heading, where the story goes. You just gotta hold on to your path.
All right, much better. I just really wanted to create a walkway right here. Let me turn you around. I know it's kind of dark. So that's for the outside patio. Those are my old stools. That's my bike that I exercise on. Those are additional chairs that you can't really break down. And then I'll have to move that bounty stuff. That's the table that I just picked up. And then everything has kind of been rearranged just a little bit, just so it'll look a little bit nicer. But again, it's a garage, so it really doesn't matter. So now I am in my element where I can be a mad scientist up in my kitchen, okay? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to make both of the bean dips that I was talking about earlier. The first one being the Mexican inspired bean dip, and then the second one, the Mediterranean bean dip.
I'm only human. How am I supposed to cope? One bad decision. I'm running out of rope. No one ever knows where we heading, where the story goes. I just gotta hold on to my path. What feels right in my heart and my soul. I wanna be the hero, 'cause I don't wanna give up. But when I'm down at zero, will it ever stop? I'm only human. Yeah. How am I supposed to cope? Oh, one bad decision. I'm running out of rope. Oh, I'm only human. Oh, how am I supposed to cope? One bad decision. I'm running out of rope. I'm running out of rope. How am I supposed to cope? It was only one bad decision. Yeah, I'm running out of rope.
I'm gonna link a recipe below for the Mediterranean bean salad and the Mexican dip because I don't measure anything. I have been doing this for years. Okay, since like 1952. You feel me? Your girl looks good too, right? Anyway, I don't measure anything. I go by smell and taste. That is just how I cook. So I can't give you any kind of measurement. So don't be offended, because sometimes people get offended about that kind of stuff. You already saw what the ingredients were. I will find a recipe and leave it below in the description box for you. I would say the most important ingredient that you could ever put in your food is love, okay? Love makes everything taste so much better. I will say anytime I have a gathering, I always go overboard on the amount of food that I have, just because my mom was that way when I was growing up. She always made sure everybody could have enough food to eat there, and additionally, you know, take a plate home or 2 plates or whatever the case may be. We were legit eating this food for a few days, and when I tell you it was so good, you guys, I made these meatballs. I don't like store-bought meatballs. I like to make meatballs from scratch. Ooh, wee, they was so good I wanted to smack myself. The Mexican bean dip was banging too, but let me tell you where my mistake was. I bought generic sour cream, and I never do that. I have no idea why I picked up the generic sour cream. I like Daisy because she be doing a dollop. And then I accidentally picked up the reduced fat cheese. First of all, let me just tell you a little secret about me. There was 1 million people in the store, and Kim does not do well in large crowds. So I'm like just trying to hurry up and get up out of there. I want to finish the video off with getting some things cleaned up. Thank you so much for spending time with me. I really appreciate it. I hope that you are in a place right now where you're saying your affirmations and making yourself a priority. Make sure whatever you're doing in life, you are happy doing it, and love on yourself. The more love that you show to yourself, it will be so much easier for you to show love to others.
Throw your stuff away. Don't hesitate. Don't be scared. New ways will appear in front of you. New wealth too. I know it's a bad day, catching every teardrop. Try to tame a hurricane. Wish you didn't feel alive. But if you try to embrace rather than push away, you will find this place getting better day by day.